Margaret! Hello there.
Hello.
How are you? Nathan and Richard are here to get a few eggs.
Well, hello. Oh, farm fresh.
So you got 3 chickens in there, and they all have names and everything?
Yeah, there's Buffy, Red, and Lady Rock.
Well, I can tell that must be Red, the red one. Which one's Buffy?
The light-colored one.
You get eggs out of it?
I'm getting about an egg a day at this time of year.
Oh, that's great. That's
Yeah.
great. So they have a beautiful home, but you also have a beautiful
Yes,
home.
thank you.
What year is your house?
It was built in 1890.
Wow. It's immaculately kept. It's beautiful.
Thank
Beautiful.
you.
Did you grow up here?
I grew up here. My son grew up here.
So you sent us an email that you actually want to stay even longer here.
I would like to stay here as long as possible.
Let's see what we can do to help.
Yeah. absolutely.
Great, thank you.
So did you ever contemplate leaving here?
Yes, several years ago I was going to sell the property, and I said to the realtor, don't bring anybody who's telling me what's wrong with the house, because I know what's wrong.
It's an old house.
That's right.
But the driveway comes up right here, so you can get the car up here.
Come
That's-
around, smooth transition in.
Yes, exactly. No steps.
Not
No
bad.
stairs.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Yeah, thank you.
Look at this, beautiful.
Thank you.
So what have you done over there? What renovations?
So I renovated this kitchen about 20 years ago. Because when I was growing up, the refrigerator was over there, the stove was there, the sink, a laundry, a toilet around the corner.
Combination, kitchen, laundry, bathroom. all in
Exactly,
one.
exactly.
You did great. What's this piece now?
Yes, this was original to the house, and I wanted to save it. It's functional, it looks pretty.
That's great. All right, so you're perfect in the kitchen, but you're going to end up keep staying on one level, living on one level, right?
That's the plan, and my bedroom is through there, and the bathroom is through here.
Bathroom. I'm glad you said bathroom because I actually brought grab bars.
Excellent.
And I think that's a necessity for aging in place. We want to put them on the walls to prevent falls. There's a lot of transitions that happen here. A grab bar up here would be really helpful and keep you safe.
Perfect.
I see you've got a conventional cast iron tub here that will stay. Means the shower head is pretty high, so we'll probably add a hand shower to the end of that shower head arm so you can actually use it down lower, all right?
Perfect.
Right.
Now, I didn't plan ahead, so I'm going to run to the store and grab what we need.
Okay.
Anything you need, give me a shout.
Will do.
Great.
I'll be
Thank
back.
you.
Can I show you what I got?
Yeah.
All right, Margaret, these are the parts and pieces that I picked up for you. First off, we have a 24-inch grab bar and a 36-inch grab bar. And we're gonna put these on the wall, and I think they're gonna give you that stability you need to transition in and out of the shower. To anchor them, we could find studs, which is great if we can. If we don't hit a stud, we hit a cavity for years. A lot of people would use a toggle bolt like this, but it's really soft. It could rust. It's not gonna hold up as well. This company sells a anchoring system that works with their bars, and it's really, really nice. Comes in a bunch of different pieces, but essentially what we're gonna do is drill an 1.25 inch hole. We're gonna insert this piece, then we're gonna slide this in, and see how that flips up there? And then if you listen, you can hear, it actually starts to ratchet as we pull it back. Now we're starting to create a sandwich that's gonna be on either side of the wall. We're gonna introduce this plate here, which again works with their grab bars. And we're going to take this machine screw and screw that in there. We're going to sandwich either side, and then once we have that in place, then we can mount our bars. What I really like about this system, ADA compliant, it has up to 300 pounds of pull weight, so it's more than what we need. But I think more important than this is where do we put them? And I have an idea of where I think, but I'd like your opinion.
Okay.
All right, so let's talk about placement of these grab bars. The first thing to talk about is kind of the way that we can hang them. We can go horizontal, we can go vertical, and we can also go diagonal. Each one has its own purpose. So vertical would be great for transitioning in and out of the tub. Horizontal, I think, is really good for stability. If you're taking a shower, plenty of real estate to grab onto. And then you have diagonal placement like that. Really good for being able to lower yourself down if you're going to take a tub. But do you take more tubs or more showers?
Oh, this is showers.
Showers, perfect. All right. Well, I think this is a good spot for a vertical one. Another thing to talk about is the height that we're going to place it at. The Americans with Disabilities Act has some great guidelines to follow. Between 33 and 36 inches off the floor or off the base of the tub would be an area for us to aim for.
Okay.
So if we go over here, between 33 and 36 inches for a grab bar is a great height, especially for horizontal. If we hang this vertically, we're obviously going to cover that no problem. Over here, between that 33 and 36 would be ideal, but also a lot of it's the comfort level and how you're going to use this shower. You know, if they told me to put it up 4 feet, if it doesn't work for you, then it's no good. We need to make it customized to your needs. So what I'd like you to do is maybe step in and step out. Let me hop out and just show me what you think about vertical height and horizontal height. So that's great. That's definitely going to hit right there. And then we'll have that 3-foot bar that we can put horizontally. We can go second course. We can go third course. What do you think?
I mean, I've been saying second all along, but
Yep.
now I'm thinking, I wonder if I should have it a little lower.
Just a little bit lower? Easy, very easy for us to do. Aesthetically, we definitely want to center it in the tile. I'm going to have to drill that 1¼ inch hole, so we want that to be in a nice solid piece of tile and not at any joint. So we'll make it work. I think we get started with the vertical one, and then we hop over onto the horizontal one.
Sounds good.
All right. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plumb this. Then I'm going to trace the outside of this ring. From there, I'm going to bring in this stainless steel plate, and I'm going to trace the center. Now that's our center. So we're getting ready to drill. We have a jig with an 1¼ inch hole taken out of it, and this is going to help guide our diamond tipped hole saw bit. Since we're drilling a large hole, it's going to be very easy for that bit to want to walk as we start it. So I have this 1¼ inch hole cut out of some PVC with some double-sided tape, and I'm going to center that over there. And now we can bring our drill bit up, and we'll have a nice clean guide for us to drill out our core. Make sure that's facing up. So it's going to take a little bit of work. Oh, there it is. You can hear it clicking. Now we're ready to put this plate on, and you'll see that it has an arrow right here, and we're running this bar vertically, so I'll make sure those arrows are pointing towards each other. When we hold it up, if you just center it over the piece behind, you check all 3 of your holes.
Looking good.
Try snapping these on. Like I said, they're a little tough, so just get it where you want it.
All right, Margaret. Short of doing a full remodel, this is a very affordable and simple way to give you that hand shower you're looking for. All I did was attach it onto the existing base right here. So you've got a new shower head, and then the hand spray. Let me show you how it works. The default will come out through the shower head, and you can select different types of sprays there. It has a selector right here on the side. You can decide between the shower head or the hand shower. So, you have what you need, and we hope you don't need any of this stuff for a long time. But you're ready to go if you ever do.
Beautiful.
My hands are wet, but I'll shake your hand
Thank you
anyway.
very much.
Okay, we wish you a long and happy life. Thanks.
Nice to meet you, Margaret.
Great job, Nathan.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.